Sanibonani dumelani Mshini, hi, welcome to Tumi Tea. Isabel ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ngifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. As you've seen by the title already, that's the reason why you pressed on this video, because you thought, why not? Umas Mkanschild, Umas from Piano Pulse, Umas from Music Pulse, Umas from Yano Lyrics. You get the vibes. That girl that interviews celebrity on events. Umas Mkanschild, blah blah blah, on the energy. Intombazana is talented. She was rumored to be dating Utah. No one came out with the rumor that Umas and Utah are dating, but we got hints from his colleagues from the Music Pulse, whereby they were questioning why Utah is asking Maz, why Utah is interested, the vibes, And then obviously yourselves, investigators angafundanga were like 1 + 1 = 2, skoko. Or is it snoko or skoko meaning dala new one? So those type of vibes and it's but that one. So Zabela said, oh, you should go see so no, that they're insinuating the fact to must not touch. There's something going on behind the scenes. You get the vibes. So we're like, okay, we carried on with the rumor and they entertained us. We know when that rumor came, everything just felt true. People went back to their clips and they're like, well, it's true. Look at what they were doing here. Begana lala. You know the vibes. And everyone was like, you get cool. And the rumor carried on. There was even a point where Tahi was wearing a cap that looked like us, and Mas was no longer part of them. And that's why that rumor escalated, and everyone was like, it's true. That's why Umas was taken out, was fired, but left the Music Pulse to go and do spreading humors. Okay, because Usima left, now they needed an adjustment. Now this game collab. So the only thing we thought was so they couldn't work together because of that. I mean, yazi abantu basibathandana kusasemqabeni lapha endlini, and then now you have to act fine on camera. It's not gonna work out. That's why they say don't mix business with pleasure. That's the vibe we got. Okay, cool, sharp case. We moved with the vibe. So it's okay, bayathandana, and everything was just confirming what we were thinking. Cool, sharp. So Umas today woke up and was like, khathethi manje kuvuma bekubhekwa umuntu lesazi impilo bese ngasele manje ukuthi mina sekuthiwa wena ujola noThahini yajola or kanjani wathi usisiza uyazi usamjoli naye umsinginawe hawu manje umanaza yini wathi lo phela clear the rumors. Umasi wasithi qa soft launch warkanyelela ngwanyana bathi imsebenzeli keke isebenzeli uyihlo nonyobe. Get that song bathi-ke Umas uphethe ubhuti wakhona. Ubhuti loyo, the name is MK. Mina ngeke ngizazi ukuba simangimdala lingoma zamapiano akusinto zami, because obviously like ihle isikhathi plus mina ngisi the vibes zamapiano. You get bakhona vele abaningana abasabhizi bafuna ukusho namo usebenzela ikeke. You get amonta Umas-ke wangena ingoma, I don't know, wathi loud mode. Umas wakhipha isithombe sakhe kuma-settings wefoni wathi light mode. Thina sisathi simangele sithi light mode. What is happening? Sithe maybe uzozikhiphela ukuthi I'm working on this project. Wathi MK ke mothi wamasi. Manje ngiyambheka ngithi hey, ke khomole before nimpoqa but umuntu kamasi listen, clock it. Wathi kwaba wow, cream de la creamy. Top tier mntana bantu. And then maqeda ukusho kanjalo soft launch as a boyfriend, because as you know, mina I'm a certified gossiper. I went through yabona ngisho lapha search bar yaku TikTok bathi MK and Mas ngabona ivideo badansa wethu that time. I'm like, we should have seen it before. Hey, there's something cooking, but we're like, yes, I underestimate Mas. Maqeda ngathi Mas maramuhle. Anyway, I must say she's very beautiful. She's a beautiful young woman. And I like the fact that she respects herself. As society city Masi, hey, uMasi siyambona vele laphaya in the interview, that guy was smiling. Angazi ukuthi bekasmile or bekablusha. Hey, waze wathi uMasi, I get you or something. I make you, I'm the one that is able to. Oh, the guy said, I'm going to get comfortable. No, you make me comfortable. So must I'm able to make you comfortable. Maybe we read between the lines. And also there was one person who commented, I was like, Nia Fanela, you two should be together. Hey, kanti loyo muntu bekabonisa the third eye was telling her something that she didn't know. Kanti namhlanje sonke sagijima saya lapha, sonke sagijima saya lapha kuma-comments amtshela sathi hey muprofita kunjalo-ke. But also before I leave, I'm sorry for being negative ngoba niyanazi nina nithi if you wanna fetch me, I don't care mina, like dala sigudla thina ukuthi ngifike kule age angagudla kudalwa mina. Let me talk my mind because I've got the freedom of speech as long as ngingadilili umuntu. One thing, my fear is that I'm happy for Mas, but I felt like she should just have kept it private. And why I'm saying this, because now Umas is posting the guy, soft launching the guy, but on the guy's page, the guy is saying nothing. The guy is keeping it cool. The guy is busy pushing his music. Then the next thing you hear saying, well, Umas way too. I don't want to see her go through what she went through with 20 Diamond, whereby bekamphika ngazathi uMas is some random basic girl. Like uMas bafethu, hayi bo. But angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu before bayenza ingoma ngami. We get so nje, I hope she's careful.